This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing the footage into Imovie and creating a new project. Make sure you drag the clip to the timeline immediately. Once done, duplicate the original clip so you always have a backup. This prevents irreversible edits. Now zoom the timeline and enable the precision editor so you can see frames clearly. This lets you scrub frame by frame for precise object isolation. Make sure playback quality is set to full so you catch subtle motion. Next, you'll remove the object by layering a clean background as a cutaway and trimming carefully. First, capture or create a clip of the surrounding background without the object, then place it above your main clip as a cutaway. Reduce cutaway opacity and nudge it into alignment so edges match. This helps you see where to trim. Then use frame-by-frame trimming and the transform controls to reposition the cutaway precisely over the object as it moves. This replaces the object visually while keeping natural motion. To finish, refine the composite until it looks seamless. Use color balance and color correction to match tones, crop slightly to hide residual edges, and apply stabilization if the shot wobbles. Once rendered, review at full screen and watch the entire motion path. Look for flicker, ghosting, or misalignment. If you see artifacts, go back, recut the problematic frames, or swap in alternate background footage. Troubleshooting tip: when misalignment persists, recapture a slightly longer background plate to give yourself more overlap for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.